Do you want to sign up on Adyen website? Well, if you say yes, you are in the right place. So to get started, click Create Test Account. Then you have to enter the details they will tell you, like country, first name, last name, your work email, company, website, phone number, and current monthly revenue. Then click I'm not a robot. It should give you a green tick. Then click Request Test Account. You have to go to your email and verify your account. So I'm going to end the video right here. Go to the WeirdsCoins website to find more information about the Bitcoin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you like.